Hi buddy, welcome to my channel. So as promised, this week I'm mainly going to film a couple of my favorite Euphoria looks that I've been seeing floating around. So for today's look, I wanted to try to recreate this look. I'm not really sure if you'll be able to see it on camera, but pretty much it's just a really nice lavender eye, nothing too precise, nothing too crazy, and just a really bright kind of neon orange eyeliner, and just really simple on the face. I don't show you my full foundation routine. It's just wear whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. I didn't go in with any blush or any real contouring and bronzing. Of course, you can just do this as you like and what makes you happy. And I actually didn't even use any highlighter as well. So I tried to keep this fairly easy, fairly simple, and just using the products that I have. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, please keep on watching. So I pretty much did my base and my eyebrows off camera. It looks like in the picture that she doesn't really do her eyebrows, and I did watch her Vogue episode where she said she doesn't know how to fill in her eyebrows, so she just pretty much leaves it as is. But of course, I like to fill in my eyebrows, so I just did my own thing. So we're just going to work on the eyes, and the eyes look really, really simple. So what I'm going to do is, it doesn't look like she used any transition shade. It looks like a really nice lavender and then a really pretty neon orange to create her wing. So I'm going to use this shade right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's actually from MAC. I'm not sure if this was a limited edition, but I did get this a little while ago. It is called Red Violet. And all I'm going to do is just take a flat shader brush and I'm just going to pack this onto my eyelid. All I did was prep my eyes with a little bit of powder. So I'm just going to mainly keep this on the lid area, and then I'm just going to gently blend this out with a blending brush. So just like that. And the blending brush that I'm using is a tapered blending brush from Sigma. It's the E40, and just ever so slightly. It doesn't look like anything is very precise, but I just love blending and I just want it to look smooth. So I think that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I'm actually going to mix these two eyeliners right here. They're from SUVA Beauty. These are their Hydra liners. The shade that I'm mixing together is Dance Party, which is that really bright UV yellow, and Cherry Bomb, which is a red. Since I don't have orange, we're just going to create a really nice orange shade. And I'm not really sure if you're going to be able to see it on camera, but this is what I came up with. And now I am just going to proceed with doing the liner. I'm starting with the wing. And the eyeliner brush that I'm using is a Sigma EO5 liner brush. I don't really like this brush too much, to be honest. I like thinner, more precise brushes, but this is all I could really find. So I'm just using my finger to sharpen the edge a little bit. Like I said, it's a little too thick. And then as I get to the inner portion, I'm going to be... Okay, so as I'm getting to the inner portion, I'm going really harsh with making a very intense inner point right here. And I pretty much bring this all the way down. And it's almost as if they're creating an eye bag, if that makes any sense. I'm just connecting it to that part right there. So hopefully you guys can really see it. I think I'm going to mix in a little bit more red. And I'm really happy with the way that looks. So the eyes are pretty much almost completed. All we're going to do is just curl our lashes, add a coat or two of mascara, and then apply some falsies. So I'm just using Lash Sensational from Maybelline. I think I'm just going to do one coat. I think it looks good without adding lashes, but for the sake of video, I'm just going to add some lashes. And you guys know I'm going to go in with really natural lashes because that's what her lashes look like, and I'm just going to go in with my Salon Perfects and my 614s. You can use pretty much whatever you have, but these are hands down my favorite go-to lashes. So as I'm waiting for the lashes to dry, I think I'm just gonna work on the lips. It doesn't look like she really has a lot going on in her face as far as bronzer, contour, highlight, blush. So we're going to skip all of that. If that's obviously something that you want to do, feel free to do so. I think I'm going to kind of keep it as is. I do already have a little bit of bronzer going on my face just because I feel like I just need a little bit of bronzer. So I have MAC Skin Finish in Medium Deep. And for my lips, I'm going to use my Morphe Sugar Pie and add a little bit of MAC Velvet Teddy, and then probably add a little bit of gloss. So I added a little bit of the Fenty lip gloss. This is the first shade, the Fenty Glow, just because it looked like she had a little bit of a sheen on her lips. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So this is the completed look. I really like the way this turned out. It was really easy, really simple. It wasn't anything super precise as you saw in the video. It was literally one eyeshadow and I just mixed together two eyeliners to create that orangey tone. What I like a lot about these SUVA Hydra liners is they do activate with water. What that means also is if you make any mistakes, all you need to do is add a little water to a Q-tip, a pointed Q-tip preferably, since you get that really nice sharp edge. You can kind of clean up any kind of mistakes that you have. If you have really nice full long lashes, not like me, then you necessarily don't need to add lashes to this look. I just wanted to for the sake of the video, but honestly, I didn't really feel like I needed to. But yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I didn't go in with any blush or highlighter, pretty much just kept everything really simple and just as I saw it in the photo. I did add a little bit of bronzer. I used my MAC Skin Finish Mineralize powder in Medium Deep just for a little bit on my cheekbone area and just, you know, to bronze up ever so slightly. But yeah, this look was super easy. I had a lot of fun creating it. It was, like I said, super easy. But I will be posting a couple of other Euphoria looks that I've really been liking, that I've been seeing. So stay tuned for those videos. And also let me know what looks that you've been seeing that you've been really liking. And hopefully maybe I can recreate some of your favorites. But please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.